Okay. Okay, so this was going to show you how to make a simple program using MPLAB for the PIC24 FJ64 GB002 micro processing. Right. So the program we're going to be making is going to be, we're going to have a value I equal to a value, and I will be equal to 100, and then I will be incremented, so I plus 1, so I plus, and that will equal, I will equal 100, and then we'll have j, which will equal I, so j will equal 101. And then we'll have j equals j minus 1. So it'll be j decrement. J equals j minus minus. So j equals 100. And then k will equal j plus I. So k will equal 201. Right. And we're going to write this program in assembly. So we're going to need to include our processor. So dot include parentheses or quotation PIC24 F and then 4 X's 1, 2, 3, 4 dot ink, and then we're going to do dot global underscore underscore reset, and then we put dot BSS semicolon. This will reserve space for variables, and then I will be dot space 1, j will be dot space 1, and k will be dot space 1. Okay, so dot text, this is the start of the code section. So underscore underscore reset This is the first instruction located at the reset label. Alright, and then we're going to do move and pound for the, this is a literal, ___ SP _ NINIT, comma, W 15. Alright, this initializes the stack pointer. And then MOV space pound ___ SPLIN _ INIT space W 0, and then move W0 to SPLIN. This initializes the stack limit regulation. And then W0, and then A value equals 100. This is for I here. Enter. Then we're going to move dot B. This moves the lower half of the register value from A value because 100 is less than each address has 4 hexadecimal numbers. Since 100 is less than 255, only 100 is only in the lower half. So that's why we use the lowercase, or why we use the dot B on the move here. And then moving the A value to W0. So W0 now equals 100. And then we're going to move the working register, WREG, to I. And then we're going to increment I. And then we're going to move I to the working register because we changed it from 100 to 101. So put it back in the working register. And we're going to move the working register to J. And then we're going to decrement J. And then we're going to move I to the working register. And we're going to add J to the working register. So that will give us the working register having a value of 102 or 101. Because J is 101 and J is 100 and I is 101. So working register now holds the value 101 or 201. Okay, and then we're going to move this value from the working register, WRET, and we're going to put that in K. And then do done, and we're going to go to done, and then it'll make it loop forever. Okay. Here's the file, or the assembly language to do this. Setting I to 100, doing I plus 1 to get 101. Then we do J equals I, and then we subtract 1 to get it to 100, and then K equals J plus I, which is 102. So let's open up MPLAB. So first thing you're going to do is start a new project. Start a new project. Click on the yellow one. Standalone project. Families. PIC24. And scroll down to get to the 24FJ 64 GB 64 GA GB 102 is the chip I have, and we're going to use a simulator. Alright, please select a compiler. We're going to use the XC16 compiler. Project name, we're going to call it Info, and we're going to finish. Alright, then we go to sources, make a new other. We're going to do assembler. We're going to use the .s. So new assembler, new assemble template, and flip finish. And we're going to copy the code over to here. Put that in here. Alright, here's some comments. I want to pause the video and look over here. And then we're going to do debug main project. Got a build successful. And you can see it's running over here. But as you can see, you can't see anything. So we're going to click down here on watches. And it's already here. Let me delete all of these. Alright, so we're going to make a new watch. New watch. Alright, so we want to look at I. So we're going to do I. Click OK. And then we're going to click on. We made 3 rows. I, J, and K. So as you can see, I is at address 800 hex, and then the next one's at 801 and 802. And the values are in hex, so 65 is 101 and decimal, 64 is 100, and 65 plus 64, or 100 plus 101 equals C9, which is 102 in hexadecimal or decimal. And that's how you make a project using MPLAB for the PIC24 F series.